Do you want to know how you can delete your Spotify account or profile? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your Spotify account. Go ahead and open Spotify app on your PC and click on your profile and click on account. After you click on account, you can see this page open up. Go ahead and scroll all the way down and click on Spotify support. Then what you need to do is click on account help and click on account settings. After that, scroll a bit down and find closing your account and deleting your data. Tap on it and click on close your account and delete your data, which is over here. After you do so, click on this icon over here and it will lead you to a box over here. You are through to the Spotify automated service. To close your account and delete your data, select close my account below. To cancel your premium and remain on the free service, select cancel premium. For any other help, select other help. So you want to close your account, go ahead and click on close my account, which you see here. And if you click on close my account, your account will be closed and your data will also be deleted. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.